MJ, and today I'll be showing you how to make this cozy bulky twist headband. It's worked in long double crochets, so you can work this band up in about 15 minutes. It's super cute, super cozy, and super quick to make. So today I'll be working with Sugarbush Yarn's Chill. It's a super bulky number 6 yarn, and it's very, very thick, and it's 100% merino wool. The color I'm using today is Scarlet, and I'll be using a 9mm crochet hook. This is a Susan Bates Crystalite hook, and in our description box we'll have links for these supplies, and I'll also have kits available in my shop. You'll need 1 ball to complete this headband. Put that on your hook, and we'll chain 12. And now we're going to work single crochet stitches across the chain. So in the second chain from the hook, we'll work a single crochet, push through, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So we're working single crochet stitches all the way across the chain, and you will have a total of 11 single crochet stitches. So I've worked across, and now we'll chain 5 and turn your work. Our chain 5 will now be included as a stitch throughout our pattern, so we skip that first stitch right here and work into the next stitch. Now we're working a long double crochet. So to make a long double crochet, we're going to yarn over, go through the stitch, pulling up a loop to the height of our 5 chains. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So yarn over, go through the stitch, pulling up a loop to the height of the stitch beside it, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we work long double crochets all the way across. The important thing is when making our long double crochet is that we have a lot of loose yarn to work with so that we can easily pull that stitch up without pulling on our finger and making it really, it will end up not being as long as it should if you don't have lots of loose yarn to work with. So yarn over, and even sometimes you need to give it a little tug, but it should work up fairly easily if you've got that loose yarn available. So once I sort of work through the yarn I have, then I just pull some more off so that I can work away. So complete working those, and I'll meet you up when I've completed my row. So you should have a total of 10 long double crochets and your chain for a total of 11. And now for row 3, we will chain 5. Turn our work, and just like we did on row 2, we skip the first stitch, working into the next. And we just continue to work our long double crochets all the way across. And I'll continue, and this time I'll meet you up at the end because we'll need to work the final in the turning chain this time. So when we get to the end, we just need to work a long double crochet in that turning chain. Chain 5 and turn. The entire band is now worked with your long double crochet rows, and I want you to do a total of 11 long double crochet rows. So I've done 2, I want you to work up a total of 11. I'm going to work those up now off camera, so you can pause the video, work up your rows, and then we'll meet up to show you how to finish the band. Okay, so I've worked up 11 rows of my long double crochet. We'll chain one and turn, and I'm just going to finish this off with a row of single crochet. So just work one single crochet into every stitch across. And in that final stitch, or the final chain, we'll work a single crochet, and then we're going to fasten off with a tail. Okay, so now what we're going to do is fold. I have my right sides facing. Fold this side, fold this side, and then just slide them together, just like that. Because we want to seam all of this together. Okay, so I have my yarn needle for bulky yarn. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces there that we want to go all the way through all of them. It's really simple just to seam this up. Making sure I go through this stitch here, this stitch, and then right through. Just take your time seaming that all the way across. So I've seamed that across. My tail is here, and I'm just gonna knot that, or just weave it, whatever. I just kind of like to get that secure, and then I'll weave this end, and then I'll weave the other end through. So you just want to go one way. And back in the opposite direction. So this headband just uses one ball. And if you purchase one of the kits, I'll also include one of these yarn needles for the bulky yarn. And you can also watch the tutorial for the matching scarf. And it uses 3 balls of our Sugar Bush Chill. So to make a set, you would need 4. So just get all that, and then those ends can just get trimmed. And you can see the nice twist, nice and stretchy. And now just to finish it off, I'm going to add a personalized tag. So my tags are from brickbubble.ca. The link will be in the description box, and I'm just using leather rivets here that I purchased from Amazon. And I'll also have the links for them. So just push that through, and then there's a little snap here. And there, our headband is finished. That was so quick, it probably only took about 15 minutes to make.